Hi there, Minecrafters, and welcome to a new series with Fable. This series is going to be called Mini Tips. Mini Tips with Minecraft. It's going to contain a series of mini clips with me explaining some basic things about both Minecraft and modded Minecraft. And I'm basically gonna go with whatever people are suggesting tutorials on. And this episode, since we're going to use it maybe later for vanilla experiments, it's nice to know what a Minecraft redstone clock is. A clock is just like it says, it's a timer. And the most basic timer I know of. I'm not gonna bore you with lengthy builds or setups, so this is basically a Minecraft clock, redstone clock. Notice the two repeaters are set to the longest delay. That's of course up to you. I think we have a lamp these days. Yeah, we do. And you can make this lamp flicker on and off. This can of course be used for many things, like a cobblestone generator, where you are able to push the cobblestone out of the generator. And the way it works, you need to turn it on. I'm just gonna turn it on quickly, like so, and you can see you get the signal running back, forth, back, forth. It's almost a second, but not really, because you already know that a tick is 1/8 of a second or 16th. I'm not really sure, but I'm not really counting, because these things don't really matter, because most people play on Minecraft servers. Since 1.5.2 there has been issues with redstone on the servers. This clock will not work. Well, if you get it to work, great, but don't expect it to work on a Minecraft server these days. For this to work on a Minecraft server, I can't take credit for it, but I usually go with the tracked version of the same clock, and basically it does the same. There we go. And some people will say this should be shortened by 1. Well, that really depends on what you're doing, doesn't it? And let's grab that light. There we go. Put a minecart on it and push it along. As you can see, you get this slow flashing delay. However, this will work on a Minecraft server if the chunk is loaded, because this will not load the chunk on its own, or at least I don't think it will. There we go. You can see this was 1, so it's just a bit faster, so you can really control the time it takes for the minecart to get around. But it's working. It's not as fast as the original time or clock as we know it over there. Material wise, this one is a bit more expensive, but if you find a dungeon, all of these items are usually found in there. This one, it's just cobblestone and redstone, smooth stone. That's it. This one requires 6 pieces of gold for the power track. That was it, guys. Very basics of Minecraft. This was a redstone clock, and this is Minecraft 1.5.2. Single player version and multiplayer versions should be able to use the minecart. Single player versions always use this one. It is better, because you can control the time like so. Yeah. Comment, rate, subscribe, guys, and type in the comment box below what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. See ya.